Okay, again, please. Living organisms, they are what? They are organisms that can eat and drink and grow. Some of them can make its own food, so it's called producer, and the other can't make its own food by itself, so it's called the consumers. And another can decay or break down the dead organisms and called the decomposers. Okay, producers such as grasses, such as plants, all plants, trees, all of them, and the algae considered as producers. Number two, consumers. Consumers, they are living organisms that can't make its own food by itself. So it does what? So it feeds on other living organisms, such as primary consumer and the secondary consumer and the tertiary consumer. Primary primary consumers, they are organisms or consumers is that our living organisms that feed on the producers. Number two, we have secondary consumers. Secondary consumers is they are living organisms that feeds on primary consumers such as a snake, such as bird. Number three, tertiary consumers. Tertiary consumers, they are living organisms that what? That feeds on the secondary consumers, such as lion, crocodile, and the hawk and the tiger, all of them from the tertiary consumer. I can get the decomposers. Decomposers, they are living organisms, but it decay or break down the dead organisms and return the nutrients and the energy back to the soil. وبترجع كمان الانرجي والنيوترينتس للتربه مره تانية، فالبلانتس تاخدها او البروديوسرز تاخدها وتقدر ان هي تنمو وهكذا، وتفضل الدايره بينا او الفود تشين ماشيه بينا كده. يبقى يعني ايه فود تشين؟ It is a model that what is that shows the transferring of the energy from one living organism into another. تاني، يبقى تاني يا ولاد، انا عندي ايه؟ انا عندي حاجة اسمها food chain. What's meant by food chain? Food chain, it's a living it's a model that shows the energy transferring from one what? From one living organism into another, such as the transferring of the energy from the producers to the primary consumers, and from primary to secondary and then tertiary consumers. يبقى الموديل او النموذج اللي بيوضح العلاقة او بيوضح انتقال الطاقة من البروديوسر للكونسيومر او من البروديوسر للبرايمري then secondary then tertiary. That is the meaning of the food chain. You with me?